Hello and welcome to Hadoop Exam Learning Resources. In this session, we would be setting up the instance for the Cloudera data platform. So the instance which we would be setting up would be used for the various certification preparation like CCA 175 for Scala version, CCA 175 for PySpark version, and similarly CCA 159 certification and any other certification we would be mentioning on the website. Correct? So initial instruction would be same for the any certification instance creation setup, but for after few instructions there are different instructions would be provided to set up for different certification exam. So you have to follow the instruction provided specifically for that certification. So what we would be doing is actually here we would be setting up the instance. Okay, just give me a moment. We would be setting up the instance in the Google Cloud. Okay, so in this we would be like in the cloud we would be creating the environment. Okay, and the first thing is like when you set up in Google Cloud there are charges, obviously, correct, but most of the users we know can use the free credit provided by the Google Cloud. So this is around $300 which is free credit, and this you need to consume within a 1 year. Okay, so this is, I think, much more than what we need for particular certification preparation. The material we have created hardly consume like few dollars, okay, like out of $300. So now it's up to you how you consume the resources from the cloud. So whenever you want to use it, switch on your instance which you have set up on the Google Cloud and practice it, and once you are done with that, stop that instance, and whenever you want to practice again, initiate that instance again. So we have seen like this is not going to cross this limit anyway. Okay, so this is a good amount to practice for one certification. Okay, so let's start the preparing the instance how it works, so you would learn this stuff. The reason why the benefit of over here, like you can create a 15 GB RAM instance which is good enough and very good performance instance you can set up with this Google Cloud. Having your own laptop with 16 GB RAM is very expensive compared to this solution. So that's the reason we are coming up with the cloud instance setup solution. So there is no problem with the, if you have MacBook, whether you have a Linux, whether you have a Windows, everybody can follow the same instruction to set up the instance. So that is the advantage of using the Google Cloud. And anyway, you are not going to spend any money until and unless you cross this limit or something, you use or your own paid version of solution for the Google Cloud or subscription, I mean. So that's up to you how you want to use it. We would provide the instruction where from the starting for the people who have not yet Google Cloud subscription, how to create it kind of thing, and how to create the instance on this Google Cloud. So it would be just browser based instruction you need to follow, and you can create the complete environment for practicing CCA 175, CCA 159, CCPD 575 certification. And for administration, obviously there would be different instruction, but this 3 certification at least can be easily practiced on the Google Cloud. So initial instruction would be same across all the certification, correct? CCA 175, CCPD 575, CCA 159. So we would be first creating a machine image, okay, and then this machine image would be having basic software which we need to set up our Cloudera data platform. Okay, so this machine image, once we create it, so there are few instructions we need to follow this machine image setup, and once this machine image is set up, we would store it until we want it, and from this machine image we would be creating as many instances as we want. We can create it like 1 2 3 4 instances. If you want, you can create it. Generally we need only one, but what happens is sometimes Google may not able to start your instance which you have previously stopped. In this situation, you may have to create the instance in different zone, correct? So what you would be doing, you don't create entire instruction from scratch again. What you would be doing, already image you have created, use that image and launch new instance using this image. So it would save lot of time. Okay, so you might not be able to understand right now completely, but when we follow the document, you would understand what I mean, and I would explain in detail. So these are the basic things. So the up to the machine image, the instruction are common across all. Even you are creating certificate instance for this certification, this certification, this certification, across all certification, this until we create the machine image, the instruction remains same. After that, the instruction would changes based on the certification. Okay, so let me go for creating the machine image. Okay, and then we'll go ahead after that. Okay, for specific to certification. So let me start here. So just go to the hadoopexam.com, click on that premium subscription. Okay, and the certification you are preparing, correct? So let's say you are preparing CCA 159 certification or something kind of thing. So you just click on this. Okay, even I would recommend start learning this button. This would launch all the certification preparation material scenario, how you can access. These links are available, correct? And the ebook, you can see here the instance setup ebook. Once this recording is finished, we would create another link over here to access these videos as well. Okay, so I'm preparing these videos for you right now, so that would be published later on. So click on this. It would be asking you to log in for some of the credential which you need to access this material, correct? So I would be logging to hadoopexam@gmail.com, and you can see this book would be launched over here, and you can access this book here. Okay, so this is again online documents on Google Cloud. You can see, you can access it. So this is single node setup on the CDP. Okay, for the CDP on Google Cloud. So these are the instructions over here, so which we need to follow. So these are the basic stuff for book publishing related. So okay, now introduction. Please note that this Cloudera certificate, okay, I've already discussed. I'll not go through this in detail. So just go to the, what as per this instruction, go to the Google Cloud Console. Okay, search for it. So Google would give you directly Cloud Console here, so it would be launched. Okay, so this is the same thing here. You can click on free trial if you are new in correct. So you click on the free trial, but in my case I have already created the account and everything. So this is very simple way of setting up the account. Like any e-commerce website, you set up one account, correct? Similarly, you have to provide here your credit card detail as well. But remember, Google is not going to charge you directly until and unless you are being informed. So there is no charge as such, because we have been using this instance quite long time, and there is no charge. They are saying this is free credit, free credit, free credit. Not a single cent we have spent yet on this material. So I think same would be you. So these are the instruction which would be you would be following. So let me zoom it. How would you zoom this document? Actually go here and select 200%. Okay, so now these are my quite good conditions. So these are my login credential. I'll be logging into this, and it you can see it in instruction. It would tell you 300 free credit would be provided for 12 months. You need to consume 12 months. After 12 months you would be charged, because even credit remains, they would be like dilute this credit and completely, and you have to start paying for this. So 12 months is good enough for preparing for any certification. Your credit card detail you need to provide over here. Okay, just a minute. So this is where you would be providing credit card detail over here, and this is all. Okay, and this way you would be setting up. So that's the simple thing you would be taking. So in INR, this is 22,000 rupees, more than 22,000 rupees. So this is good enough to create the instance. Okay, once you do this, you would see this kind of welcome page here. Okay, with your name here. Actually, instead of Hadoop exam, you would be having your own name on this instance, correct? And now once you are done, so then setting up the virtual instance in the Google Cloud, correct? So that's what we would be doing here. So let me go over here, and this is the what you can say dashboard you can see on the Google Cloud once you set up everything. So by default, Google would create one project for you. Okay, and the name of the project is generally my first project. They would identify using one of the ID, like this is the ID which you need to remember actually if you are creating multiple projects. So, or you can remember this name, you can rename it kind of thing, but you don't need to do this. Let's fine, let's keep it as simple as possible. Don't make things complicated over here. So this is how I would be following. So you can read it for more details. So what we would be doing here, 15 GB RAM we would be selecting, 4 CPU we would be using, and 15 GB disk. Okay, we would be disk space using right now 15 GB, and later on we need more, we can increase it as well. Okay, you should know how to increase the disk space. So because what happens when you stop the instance, but Google still keep charging for this this space, because you're consuming this space, even you are instance stop, so they would charging you, but it is very minimal. And again, it is part of your free credit, so you won't be charged for that from your credit card. Okay, so you should be aware. Okay, and now let's select the VM instance in Google Console to create the VM instance. So what we would be saying, it is a VM instance, virtual machine instance we would be creating over here. Okay, so let me stop here, and I would create in the next module actually this stuff. So this is just an introduction, so let me stop here, and we would be recording in the next module, this remaining part.